I will be sharing my very simple red smoothie and green smoothie bowl recipe, so let's get started. You will need beet, lemon, carrot, ginger, apple, and water. Put everything in the blender, squeeze the juice of the lemon, and add the water and blend the mixture until it's really smooth. The list of the ingredients and the quantities will be listed in the description box below. You can also add a bit of salt to it, pour it over ice if you want, and enjoy the simple red smoothie. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the like button. Let's start our next recipe, which is the green smoothie bowl recipe. You will need frozen bananas, dates, spinach, peas. For toppings, you will need crushed coconut, hemp seeds, chia seeds, and buckwheat, plus half cup of plant-based milk. I decided to add some mangoes to the smoothie too, so add your frozen bananas, your mango, spinach, peas, and dates to a blender. I am adding soya milk as my liquid. We are going to blend all the ingredients until they are smooth. Once everything is blended, pour it in a bowl, top it with your choice of toppings, and serve. This smoothie bowl is a great breakfast, or eat it to satisfy your midday craving. Once again, if you like these recipes, give it a thumbs up, share, and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to SimplyNabs.